Welcome to OrangeHRM 8.0, where intelligent automation meets modern HR. Employee management. You can now map pay grades directly to job titles and define country-specific salary ranges for every location you operate in. Leave module. Introducing leave blackout periods, ensuring you're never understaffed when it matters most. Define restricted date ranges during peak business periods. Apply strict blocks or warning-only alerts and target rules by location, job title, or subunit. With overnight shift support, the system now intelligently attributes leave to the shift start date. Whether it's a night shift or a weekend crossover, records remain accurate. Reports and analytics. We've also expanded cross-module reporting with a dedicated attendance report type, giving you complete flexibility to analyze workforce data exactly the way you need. Attendance. Attendance now fully supports overnight shifts. From pay codes to break deductions, all calculations align seamlessly based on shift start dates, giving you automated, error-free tracking. With improved break exclusions and fixed break deductions, the system automatically evaluates total work duration to apply the correct deductions, ensuring payroll accuracy. With punch-in and out reminder emails, employees are notified instantly, keeping records accurate and reducing manual corrections for HR teams. For supervisors, attendance exception management is a game changer. The system now flags anomalies in real time. Supervisors can review, acknowledge, or correct issues from a single unified view. No profile hopping required. Performance. Employees can now review and acknowledge final appraisals or request clarification, ensuring transparency and shared understanding. Managers can gain instant visibility into engagement trends, top performers, and development needs, all from the dashboard. With AI-powered voice input, managers can speak feedback on the go. It converts speech to text and automatically generates concise, meaningful summaries for the log name in any supported language. Performance tracker logs are now tracked through audit trails, ensuring transparency and accountability. Rosters. Scheduling is now clearer, faster, and more transparent. Managers can bulk delete shifts and configure visibility permissions with ease. With the roster's advanced filtering options, shift managers can quickly narrow down employees based on key criteria such as employment status, job category, skills and experience, total shift hours, and allocated hours, including approved leave. Employees can now view roster schedules across all locations in one unified view. Shift managers can now enable shift swaps, allowing employees to request swaps directly with eligible coworkers. Complete with real-time notifications. Surveys Pro. Every response matters, and Surveys Pro ensures it's heard. Easily add employees to ongoing campaigns without disrupting existing data. Track participation in real time, monitor progress, and export results, turning feedback into actionable insight. Employee voice. We've evolved the grievances module into Employee Voice, a unified platform for concerns, suggestions, and feedback. With updated permissions and reporting, Employee Voice helps you build trust and foster open communication across your organization. Citra AI. Meet Citra, your intelligent HR assistant that simplifies employee data, documents, policies, leave, and attendance in OrangeHRM. With AI-powered document assistance, employees simply ask a question, and Citra instantly delivers accurate answers, powered exclusively by your organization's own data and documents, secure, accurate. For HR managers, Citra proactively identifies late attendance and streamlines attendance sheet approvals, saving hours of manual work. Citra is now compatible with leave blackout periods, providing real-time guidance that aligns with company policies automatically. HR admins can now assign leave effortlessly with Citra. Just a few clicks to complete the task, saving time and eliminating manual effort. Power BI. Power BI dashboards are now enhanced with smarter insights and improved reporting capabilities. Mobile app enhancements. Citra on mobile simplifies leave management by allowing HR admins to approve or reject leave requests. With Citra, employees can directly ask questions about published company news and documents, such as leave policies, and receive instant answers. With the introduction of leave blackout periods, Citra ensures leave actions align with organizational policies and empowers employees to apply for or cancel leave requests using simple commands. Blackout periods are enforced to ensure full team availability during our most critical business cycles. The punch in and out experience is now integrated with face detection, more faster and intuitive, and backed by push notification reminders. The mobile app now supports more detailed work schedule information, giving employees better visibility. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more, contact us at goldsupport@orangehrm.com.